What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know it's a day at Nick's Kicks. We have another unboxing, and this one is coming from Adidas, or should I say Yeezy Supply. This is a Yeezy 700 V3 Alvahs, and this shoe stock is pretty limited on these. It was really hard for me to get. Happy I could pick up a pair. Not the best size. We got 5.5. Usually, 5.5 base sizes usually do good, but for this pair, it's not looking the best, which is, I mean, could be better. I mean, I'm just happy we get this pair. This is my first pair of V3s. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shipping, you already know. And let's see what the shoe's looking like. Now, this is the Yeezy 700 box. As you can see, Yeezy 700. Here, size 5.5. It is Alvah. Alvah is a colorway. Box seems to be in good condition. Alright, make sure you guys smash that like button. We're getting up in subscribers. I'd be happy to, during this quarantine, you know, see some subscribers go up, because we're trying to post out some really good videos. Drop some video ideas down below in the comments, and I'll try to make them, just because I have extra free time on my hands. So let's see what these look like. Ooh, these are clean. Alright. So here it is. It's kind of hard to see the details since it's an all black shoe, but this is the Yeezy 700 V3 Alvah. Is in the triple black colorway, size 5.5. Bombs, they have like this. It's not boost because this shoe does not have boost, but supposedly it's still pretty comfortable, which is cool. Yeah, so you guys can see it's like a yellow kind of goldish on the bottom. It's a replacement of boost. I think just Yeezys should always have boost, just because they've always had it, and I mean, it's kind of weird not to see them with boost, but I mean, other than that, it's super cool. I like these. Here's the other pair. You guys are wondering why I'm wearing gloves, just because you never know what comes on these shoes, and keep them clean for potential buyers, so that's what I want to do. Just because of the whole, can't say it on YouTube because my videos are going to get banned, but you know what. But pretty cool. It's got, I mean, compared to the Wave Runner, I mean, I kind of like the looks of the Wave Runner, but this one is a cool colorway. It's got like an interesting upper, it's got some plastic around it, and then we got the kind of like strips of gray. I don't know if this is reflective. Let me try taking a picture. Let's see. Flashlight. Let's see if we got anything reflective on it. Nope, nothing reflective on this pair. So I did hear that these are glow in the dark. So the main parts that are going to glow in the dark is going to be, it's kind of hard to see, but this kind of like black cage going around the prime knit right here, that does glow in the dark. So that is actually pretty cool when these are in the dark. It kind of makes the shoe pop out. So me personally, I can never rock a pair of triple black shoes. I just don't like the look of it, in my opinion, but I know a lot of people do, and that's why this color has a lot of demand for it. Current resale prices for this size are around $320, which is not the greatest, but luckily it is only a $200 retail, so we are good. We're still making about $78 around that profit, and I would recommend holding if you can. I know, because if money's tight during quarantine and stuff, I know if you lost your job, you know, gotta pay the bills, sell them, do what you have to do. But if you guys do have the money and the capital to keep buying shoes and be able to hold these, I highly would recommend doing that, and I will show you why. So, going on the StockX, just to compare how prices are going up. Let's see here. For the OG colorway, the Azil or whatever, this one, if it'll focus in. Here it is. It's in white, kind of like that bone colorway. Size 5.5 right now. Lowest ask is $620, and that's pretty good. And these started off when these first released. These are at $394. As you guys can see, prices have, if this will focus in, prices have definitely started to increase a lot. And there are going to be some dips just because of right now the market's kind of unsteady for sneakers, because not a lot of people are buying, just because there's a lot of other things that people actually need, and these are a want. So people are going to go with that. Just, you know, a little bit of damage to the box should be good. But yeah, I definitely would recommend holding on to these. Just like I said with the court purples, there's a lot of demand for this colorway, and stock wasn't too high. A couple of places were saying 20K pairs. If it was 20K, I think these would definitely be a little bit more expensive. But let's just take a look more details on these. Pretty cool. I like them. But yeah, I think stock prices for these, they definitely will go up. It's just a matter of time and when they are going to go up. I definitely do see these rising though, because it's a demanded colorway, and the other ones they perform pretty similarly. They start off around $300 to $400, and they skyrocketed up to about $600 depending on the size. And currently these, I think those dropped in November to around December, and now it's been a couple months, so definitely it can rise price pretty quickly. Once it hits that price, I don't see these rising any higher than maybe $500, but I mean, who knows what the market's going to be up to. But yeah, that's pretty much wrapping it up for this video. Make sure you guys are staying tuned, because we got some more videos coming soon. This is kind of it for unboxings right now, just because there's not a lot of things left for April. The linens did drop today. It's probably not going to be the day you're watching it, but yesterday the linens did drop. I personally didn't go for them. I regret that, because prices right now are going up on those. They're about around $350. I could have definitely made some profit. I thought they were going to brick. Everyone kind of did, but they did kind of go up, which is interesting. So that's why you should never sleep on colorways. Always try and get one pair, but these are super sick. Shout out to my cook group, Notify Me, if you guys are interested for joining. It's only $2 a month. Just hit them up on Instagram. They got a link in their bio. Help me cop these. A lot of good info on how to cop shoes. And yeah, definitely make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang. I'll see you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Peace.